flour. I just got the pot, pimento, chopped up thyme, and you see a little sprinkle, ginger, garlic, and onion, just to start it off. And I'm gonna put the chicken in here too, so it can start boiling. So here I have chopped up garlic, chopped up ginger, chopped up Scotch bonnet pepper, chopped up red onion, chopped up yellow onion. Everything in here is chopped. Thyme and here we got the pumpkin puree. I couldn't get whole, so we're just gonna add a puree on the back end within the broth. This, I poured some hot water over the chicken bouillon, so we can add that to the broth. We got chicken stock, chicken bone broth. Dumpling is sitting here real nice. So I gotta separate up, but this I had it sit for like 10 minutes, so it's ready to go. Chopped up celery, chopped up green onion, coconut milk, corn. The season is seasoned, and this is butternut squash on top. There's carrots, and then underneath is white potatoes. Oh. And yes, of course, we have the cod flavored Caribbean seasoning for the soup, allspice, but that's already in the pot though, so we ain't worried about that. But here's everything I'm gonna use that's going in. First, we're gonna put the chicken in. I'm gonna let it boil. You don't want the water to splash. Alright, so the chicken in there. Alright, let's let it go on, do its thing. Now I got it in there. I'm gonna put the top on. Just gonna let it sit. Boil. Let it catch a boil and then let it cook for 15 minutes. Alright. Ooh, that's a lot of steam. Chicken done. Right. Snap. Oh, the oniony goodness. Yeah. Put all of that in there. Yeah. All of that's going in there. Yes. You see the Scotch bonnet pepper chopped up, red onion, white onion. I said yellow onion before. Oh well. There's white onion. No, it's yellow onion. My bad, yellow onion. Thyme and red onion, garlic, and ginger. And get a little stir. Yeah, put that in there. Oh, that's flavor. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and get these corn in there so they can get some flavor too. And put them in there. Come on, everybody, get in there. Green onion and celery as well. Alright, now don't y'all be shy. Get in there. Carrots, squash, the pumpkin puree. Give me a second. Last of it in there, the coconut milk. Precious coconut milk. Broth. Little people. We'll see. You might not need the chicken stock. See what happens here. Chicken seasoning. Let y'all see me push it around. Now, I'm gonna say this. The red onion, I personally have not ever had Jamaican chicken soup with red onion in it. It's always yellow onion, but hey. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna let that boil. We're gonna let that do its thing for another 15 minutes. Check on it. Whew. Look at that. Grab this. Love the color. I already put in the other Scotch bonnet pepper. Once it's done, I'm gonna open it up so Broth can get real spicy. It's time to add in this. I'm about to show y'all how I do it because I don't want the noodles out of it. So I have a way of separating it. I'm about to show you. Pour that in. And the goal is just to get the flavor out of this. Make sure nothing in there. Nothing right here. The flavor. And then, once I stir this, guess what? It's time for the dumpling. So, sift it. So all the flavor, all the seasoning come out. Alright, I'm gonna get all this seasoning out of here and then we're gonna come back with the dumplings. Right. Now that I got the seasoning in there, it's time for the dumpling. It's time for the dumpling. Let's go ahead and lay them in there. They don't take that long to cook, so about 5 minutes for them to cook. Put them in. And that's it. And these are flour and cornmeal. People, it's done. Spinach is done, dumplings finished. Yeah. And that is how you make Jamaican soup. Right here, Jamaican style soup. Oof, that smells amazing. I can smell the coconut. And the pumpkin gave it a nice texture. Combined with the coconut milk. Yes. Right, y'all. Till next time. Here, let me hold on. Let me give y'all. Hold on. Y'all look real quick. Here you go.